everyone, I'm Cassie. I'm really excited today because our paper molding equipment has been upgraded to the 7th generation and now in stable production. This is our first part, the laminating and die cutting machine. The speed is 400 pieces per minute. This is the second part, the forming and sealing machine. The speed is 110 pieces per minute. The paper molding equipment is easy to operate and it has no wastewater discharge, which means that we're producing the eco-friendly cutlery. It also has environmentally friendly production in its own process. We never forget that the earth is our mother, and we are all well aware of the alarming impact of the plastic waste in the oceans. Ounuo is committed to contributing its part to the sustainable environment. Friends from Asia, Europe, the Middle East, and the Americas have also joined in. Together, we believe that with the increasing collective efforts, we and our future generations will have a greener planet.